Okay, I'm going to explain the strategy to use when you have an unknown at the start position or in the change position. This is in the start position, this is the start position, this is the change position. This is also change position. So when you have it in the result position, you don't need to use this strategy. You just have to do what they are telling you or what they are asking you to do, to add or subtract. But in this case, you really don't know if you are going to add or subtract because it's 23 minus something and you don't know what's that something. So what you have to do is to use the triangle strategy. So in my triangle, I am always going to have minus, minus, and plus. So now what I have to do is to check my first two numbers, the two numbers that are together, not the number that is alone after the equal sign. So these two numbers. I have 23 minus something, so I have to put that in my triangle. What I have to put here in the triangle is 23 minus something. And what I have left is the 15. So then I'm going to put the 15 in the position that I have left. I have 15 here. So the 15, the only place where I have put the 15 is here. And I put also the plus and the minus. Now, if I cover the unknown, if I cover this part, that is what I am looking for, then what I have is 23 minus 15. So my new equation is 23 minus 15 equals the number I am looking for. So now I have to solve 23 minus 15. I have 3 minus 5. I cannot, so I have to ask the neighbor or regroup. So this is going to be now. This is going to be 13, and this is going to be 1. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So now I know that this number is 8, and we got to check it here. If I take away 23 minus 8, I'm going to replace 8 for 3 plus 5. So 23 minus 3 is 20, and minus 5 is 15. So this is correct. Now, next one. In this case, I have again to draw my triangle. And as I told you, you always put first minus, minus, and plus. Then I have to check the two numbers that are together before the equal sign. Always the two numbers that are together. So in this case, I have these two numbers. I have 12 plus something. So I have the plus here. That means that I have to put 12 plus something here. And then in the remaining space, I have a 23 alone, so it's going to be the 23 here, the minus and minus. So my new equation is 23 minus 12 equals something. I got to solve it. 23 minus 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my new number is 11. 11. So let's check it. 12 plus 11. I have 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 23. That is correct. Last example. I have to draw my triangle. And as always, I have to put minus, minus, plus. It's like a face, the eyes and the mouth. So it's minus, minus, plus. I have here these two numbers together. Something minus 18. Something minus 18. And the remaining number is 25. So I have to put here 25, the plus, and the minus. I didn't put here the minus. So my new equation is, this is my new equation. This is my new equation. Is 18 plus 25 equals something. So I have to do it. 18 plus 25. 8 plus 5 is 13. I have to regroup. 3 here and the 10s here. So now I have 1 10 and 1 10 is 2 and 2 more 10 is 4. I have 43. My new number is 43. Let's check it. I got to do 43 minus 18. We are going to do the 8 is going to be 3 plus 5. So I have 43 minus 10. This 10 is going to be 33. So I take away this 10. Now I have 33. 33 minus 3 is 30. Minus 5 is 25. So this is correct.